are pleased to show you 2012 Mazda 3. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine, and comes with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, tilt steering wheel, leather shift knob, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Moonroof plus Bose Audio Package. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.